30-minute walking workout. Transform your fitness easily. Imagine transforming your health and fitness with just 30 minutes of walking a day. Sounds too good to be true? Our fitness expert reveals how it's done. But here's where it gets controversial. At the Washington Post, our dedicated journalists are passionate about sharing their expertise. Join us for live chats and engage with our experts on a wide range of topics. Whether you're looking for advice on life's complexities from Carolyn Hacks, dining suggestions from our restaurant critic Tom Seetsema, or cooking tips from Aaron Hutcherson and Becky Crystal, we've got you covered. Delve deeper into the world of politics, media, and more with Karen Tumulty and Eric Wemple. For all these insights and more, visit our community page. And this is the part most people miss. Have you ever wondered about the impact of walking on mental health? Our fitness columnist not only explains how to get in shape, but also reveals the surprising benefits for your mind. But we want to hear your thoughts. Do you think walking is the ultimate exercise? Join the conversation and share your opinion in the comments. Let's start the discussion. Japanese walking. Get fit in 30 minutes daily, science-backed. Imagine this, a simple 30-minute daily routine that could transform your health and well-being without needing expensive equipment or complicated workouts. Walking, especially a technique called interval walking training, IWT, or Japanese walking, is making waves as a powerful tool for fitness. But here's where it gets interesting. Studies show that this method can significantly boost your physical condition, even if you're middle-aged or older. Walking is a versatile solution to many of life's challenges. Feeling stressed or battling depression? Need a gentle way to get fit? Walking can help. It's one of the most accessible forms of exercise, suitable for almost everyone. A groundbreaking study nearly 2 decades ago, led by Hiroshi Noze and his team in Japan, revealed that middle-aged and older individuals who practiced high-intensity interval walking saw remarkable improvements. These participants enjoyed lower blood pressure, stronger thigh muscles, and enhanced aerobic capacity compared to those who walked at a steady pace. The technique involves alternating 3 minutes of brisk walking with 3 minutes of slower walking, repeated for 30 minutes, at least 4 times a week. What surprised us most was that IWT dramatically improved physical fitness and reduced blood pressure within 5 months, explained Shizue Masuki, a researcher on the team and professor at Shinshu University Graduate School of Medicine. These gains weren't seen in the group that maintained a moderate, consistent pace. Interestingly, IWT got its nickname because the study took place in Japan, but Masuki clarified that the technique isn't uniquely favored there. The benefits of interval walking training. Since the initial 2007 study, numerous follow-up studies have reinforced its benefits. For instance, a 2023 study on individuals with type 2 diabetes and a 2024 study on seniors aged 65 and above showed that IWT improved cholesterol levels, flexibility, BMI, and cardiorespiratory endurance. Dr. Mir Ali, a general and bariatric surgeon, elaborated on why interval walking is beneficial. Increasing the intensity of your walking or exercise raises your heart rate, which is great for cardiovascular health. It stresses your heart in a healthy way, improving its function and lowering blood pressure over time. Masuki's team has also found that IWT enhances sleep quality, cognitive function, and helps alleviate depression. Barbara Walker, an integrative health psychologist, added that mindful walking, particularly in natural settings, can further enhance these benefits. Nature walks have been proven to lower blood pressure, reduce stress hormones, improve focus and sleep, and regulate mood. Combining this with interval walking amplifies the psychological effects. How hard is interval walking training? You might wonder why not just walk fast for 30 minutes. According to Masuki, her team found that continuous high-intensity walking was too challenging and unenjoyable for most participants. In contrast, IWT is more manageable, with about 60 to 90% of people successfully meeting its goals. Patrick Fratellone, a preventive cardiologist, emphasized the efficiency of IWT. While achieving 10,000 steps daily offers health benefits, interval walking can deliver similar and often greater results in less time. How to try interval walking. Start slowly and carefully. Experts advise starting gradually. Even 15 minutes of interval walking twice a day can provide benefits. Aim for the recommended weekly exercise amount of 150 minutes, broken into 30-minute sessions, 5 days a week. with 2 days of strength training to meet federal guidelines. Always consult your doctor before starting a new exercise program. Use unofficial metrics. In the original study, participants aimed for 3 minutes of walking at 70% of their peak aerobic capacity, followed by 3 minutes at 40%. While fitness trackers can provide this data, a simpler guideline is to walk briskly for 3 minutes without being able to talk comfortably. Then slow down to a pace where you can converse but still maintain a light sweat. Sarah Crawford, a physical therapist, suggests using landmarks like mailboxes to mark your intervals. Walk quickly past 10, then more slowly past the next 10. Watch for improvements. Over time, you may notice faster recovery of your heart rate and breathing during intervals. Pay attention to how long you can sustain the higher intensity before needing to slow down. Regardless of the walking style you choose, the benefits are undeniable. As Crawford put it, walking is safe, low impact, and accessible. It gets you outdoors, away from screens, and in touch with nature. It provides sunlight, fresh air, and a sensory overload of outdoor experiences. It's simply the best form of exercise for everyone. Japanese walking. Boost health in 30 minutes. No running needed. Here's a twist on walking that could revolutionize your health routine without needing a gym membership or a personal trainer. It's called Japanese walking, and it's taking TikTok by storm. But here's where it gets controversial. Is this trend a game changer or just another fad? Let's break it down. The buzz stems from a 2007 study conducted in Japan, which discovered that alternating between brisk and leisurely walking paces could offer more health perks than a steady, moderate stroll. Imagine this: 3 minutes of power walking followed by 3 minutes of casual striding, repeated for 30 minutes, 4 times a week. The study claimed this method could lower blood pressure, build muscle, and boost aerobic capacity more effectively than continuous walking. Fast forward to today, and social media influencers are repackaging this research as a modern-day shortcut to fitness. Nancy Salbach, a professor at the University of Toronto, says the real magic lies in the intensity. You don't need a treadmill or a marathon or stamina, she explains. Just push your heart rate up for a few minutes, then ease back. That's how you unlock those extra benefits. She also swears by walking in green spaces, parks, gardens, you name it, as a way to amplify the effects. Nature isn't just calming. It's scientifically proven to lower stress and heart rate, she adds. And if you can convince a friend to join, even better. Social support turns a chore into a joy, Salbach says. But here's the part most people miss: the hype versus the science. Some TikTok creators are claiming this method delivers 10 times the benefits of hitting 10,000 steps daily. Spoiler, that 10,000 step goal itself is hotly debated by researchers. Stephen Chung, a kinesiology expert at Brock University, tempers the excitement. On average, you might see about 5% more health gains compared to regular walking, he says. But let's not overpromise. This isn't a weight loss miracle. Still, he's a fan of the psychological boost. If mixing up your pace makes you look forward to walking, that's a win. And this is the part most people argue about. How strict should you be? The original study used precise intervals, but Chung insists you don't need a stopwatch. Feel it out, he advises. Speed up when you can, slow down when you need to. The goal is movement, not perfection. Canada's official fitness guidelines back this up: 150 minutes of moderate to vigorous activity weekly, plus strength training twice a week. Japanese walking? It's just one way to hit those targets. So, is this trend worth your time? If you're already walking, adding intervals could spice things up. But if you're new to exercise, start small. The real magic bullet isn't a specific technique, Chung says. It's simply getting outside and moving. Now, here's a question for you. Do you think trends like these help people stay motivated, or do they create unnecessary pressure? Share your thoughts below. After all, the best workout is the one you'll stick with. About the author, Kevin Mayman is a senior writer for CBC News based in Edmonton. His work has appeared in Vice, the Toronto Star, and the Edmonton Journal. Reach him at kevin.mayman@cbc.ca.